Hello everyone, how to bold text in Excel chart. So let's start this my Excel and here you can see I already created column chart. So to bold this text, simply click on the chart and make sure your full chart is selected. After that, go to the home tab in font group, click on the bold option. And here you can see your text is bold. If you want to change the different art style, simply click on the charts again. Click on the format tab. In what art style, you can click on this drop down arrow and you can select here the different art style. See the changes in the text of the chart. See a different style with the color here showing. Okay. So select it those you. So I select this one. That's it. So this is the way you can change the word art style also. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.